It seems like we've been telling the same story for about 2 years already. It's this idea of a multifamily snapshot doesn't look great, but the future looks promising for investors.
What does that mean? Tell us what that means.
It meant for the past year and a half, 2 years, we were looking at a situation in which rent growth was shrinking, in which expense growth was growing, and yet at the same time, investors still saw a future, still saw a finite end to the supply wave. Now that's been a story forever, and I wonder, what is different? I'll argue that these skies that are cloudy, these aren't the same clouds. Maybe the same weather pattern, but they're not the same clouds. We're in a different part of this weather pattern, different part of this story that's been happening. And as we've progressed, it went from, oh man, we are facing the greatest surge of apartment supply that we've seen in a generation. And now we're kind of on the other side of it. We are just past the crest of the wave of this apartment supply. Whereas at any point in those 2 years before, we were still struggling. We could see the end, but it was a long time coming.